Hello friends! Last week I caught a major cold with a full package of various side effects. Now I start to feel better, though please excuse me for my temporary unhealthy voice. With winter weather changing to a milder and warmer spring, it is easy to catch a cold, so please be careful and stay safe. And now it's time to see what is new in power semiconductors industry. Mitsubishi Electric released its new SLIMDIP-X power semiconductor module, which achieves low thermal resistance and noise for use in home appliance inverter systems. This new module is expected to help simplify and reduce the size of inverter systems used in products such as air conditioners, washing machines and refrigerators. High temperature suppression in reverse conducting IGBT will help to simplify the thermal design for inverter systems. Noise reduction technology deployed in the reverse conducting IGBT helps to reduce the number of noise suppression components, which will lead to smaller and lower cost inverter systems. Fabless semiconductor company Cambridge Gain Devices has launched IC Data, a project aiming to develop and commercialize a highly efficient gallium nitride-based integrated circuit for use in data center server power supplies. The primary goal of the IC Data project is to deliver state-of-the-art gallium nitride power IC technology to boost the efficiency of data center server power supplies to more than 98%. Specifically tailored for switched-mode power supplies for data centers and telecommunications servers, IC Data will contribute to the saving of more than 8 megatons of CO2 emissions annually in 2030. MEMC Electronic Materials Board of Directors approved the expansion of its existing facility located in Novara, Italy, that's currently producing 200mm silicon wafers by adding a new 300mm wafer production module. The approved expansion will be concentrated on 300mm polished and epi wafers development and production to be utilized in the most advanced technology applications. Moreover, by means of this expansion into Italian Piedmont region, GlobalWafers will achieve the full 300mm line integration in Italy, since 300mm crystal growth new development and expansion was already occurring in its facility located in Nerano. This advanced 300mm line will be operating starting mid-2023. Mass production will follow according to customers' qualifications, and then first industrial deployment phases to ramp up to the needed volume of the new products being developed and produced by the advanced and fully automated facility. Infineon Technologies is strengthening its market leadership in power semiconductors by adding significant manufacturing capacities in the field of wide bandgap semiconductors. The company is investing more than €2 billion to build a third module at its site in Kulim, Malaysia. Once fully equipped, the new module will generate €2 billion in additional annual revenue with products based on silicon carbide and gallium nitride. The expansion, following the company's long-term manufacturing strategy, will benefit from the excellent economies of scale already achieved for 200mm manufacturing in Kulim. It will complement Infineon's leading position in silicon based on 300mm manufacturing in Villach and Dresden. The new investment will greatly reinforce the overall competitive advantage, which is based on a combination of technology leadership, a broad product portfolio and deep application know-how, following Infineon's product-to-system approach. Semikron has secured a €1 billion contract with a major German car manufacturer for their new power module platform EMPAC. This new platform, which is optimized for silicon carbide technology, will be used in a car manufacturer's next-generation EV inverters. One of the crucial factors that clinched the deal is Semikron's fully sintered direct press die technology, which allows for extremely compact, scalable and reliable inverters. Series production is scheduled to begin in 2025. PowerAmerica will once again host its annual meeting of silicon carbide and gallium nitride professionals. The event will offer networking sessions, keynote remarks, industry perspectives, PowerAmerica member-initiated project updates, and silicon carbide and gallium nitride technology roadmap sessions. Engineering and business development professionals are especially encouraged to attend. Wolfspeed silicon carbide power devices enable high performance and lower system cost for energy storage applications. Join their webinar to see how silicon carbide MOSFETs can simplify the power topologies required to meet ever-increasing energy efficiency standards while shrinking system size, weight and cost. Whether you're building a single-phase residential system or three-phase commercial system, Wolfspeed silicon carbide solutions are the right choice for system performance and efficiency. That's it for now. Thanks everyone for joining me today. As usual, more market updates coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. See you soon.